Hello to you. Hello everyone. Welcome to LIWiS. This is Learning isiXhosa with Sonwa. This is our ninth episode of our Xhosa learning series, where we are using the novel set in South Africa called In Search of Happiness. In Search of Happiness. And through this way, you get to learn about the country South Africa. You get to learn about, through fiction, you get to learn about the people in South Africa, and at the same time you are learning isiXhosa within a context, in the context of fiction. We are coming to you from Blank Studios. Thank you so much, Blank Studios. Hashtag blank underscore studios underscore. They are on Instagram. Check out their work and the work that's done in this beautiful space. Now, in the previous episodes, we read the blurb, the full blurb, before taking the part that we were going to translate together. And my suggestion for this episode is that we don't read the full blurb. If you want to know or hear how the full blurb reads, you're welcome to check out episode 7, and I think episode 6, we also read the full blurb in those episodes. So we're going to get straight into it in terms of taking the extract that we want to look at together from the blurb. Now, today, we would like to look at this part. When she and Agnes become close friends and find love in unexpected places. Now, that's the part that we want to translate into isiXhosa. How would you say this? Now, in isiXhosa, it would be as follows. Xa yena no-Agnes besiba ngabahlobo abasenyongweni baze bafumana uthando kwiindawo abangakhange bazilindele. When she and Agnes become close friends and find love in unexpected places. So that's the part. Xa yena no-Agnes besiba ngabahlobo abasenyongweni baze bafumana uthando kwiindawo abangakhange bazilindele. Now, let's break up this sentence and look at those words individually. So the first one, remember the clicks. The first one, means when. Means when. But there are instances where means if as well. So means in this context when she and Agnes, yena no Agnes. In this context, it means when she and Agnes, become close friends. Yena Agnes. I'll give you an example where is if. Ungahamba xa ufuna. You may go if you want to. That's what that sentence, what I just said now, how it's translated into English. You may go if you want. And I'm not saying you go. Please stay and watch this channel. I'm very happy to bring this work to you. But I'm just giving you an example. Ungahamba xa ufuna. That's another way of using the word xa, used in the context where it means if. Now the second word in that sentence is yena. Yena is a pronoun that means he or she or him or her. It depends on the context. In this context, yena means she. When she and Agnes. Xa yena no Agnes, when she. So yena means she. And then you'll notice that before the name Agnes, there's a prefix no. Which means with. No-Agnes. Ndihleli, you are with me. Uhleli now. Ndihleli, you would say that I am sitting with Sonwa. Ndihleli no Sonwa. Ndihleli no Sonwa. That's how you'd say that in isiXhosa. Besiba, now that speaks to becoming. Besiba ngabahlobo, when they become friends, when they became friends, that's becoming. Ngabahlobo, they're becoming friends. Umhlobo is a friend. So ngabahlobo, when they're becoming friends. Abasenyongweni. Now that's an interesting one. Abasenyongweni, because this is a metaphorical expression referring to close friends. Now, in isiXhosa, if you want to say if you don't just want to say someone is my friend, but you want to say someone is my close friend, someone is my, is my friend, that I trust fully, and so ngabahlobo, abasenyongweni, like, it means that metaphor. Baze, now baze brings things together, and is a conjunction. Baze, bafumana, they found, ukufumana, to find, is to find something. Ukufumana, kids go on treasure hunt and they find things, and the ukufumana is to find. Ukufumana is to find. So they found, and what did they find? We learn that they find uthando. Uthando, and what is uthando? Uthando is love. Uthando is love. Uthando is love. Uthando is someone's name. Uthando can be someone's name as well, but uthando is love. Now, when you want to say that I love you to someone in isiXhosa, you would say ndiyakuthanda. Ndiyakuthanda, I love you. Ndiyakuthanda, I love you. That's how you'd say I love you to someone in isiXhosa. And hopefully you hear that too, that someone tells you that ndiyakuthanda, and how beautiful that can be. Kwindawo. Now the kwindawo, you'll notice that it has two I's. Kwindawo, it's for one. If there's, okay, let me start by saying kwindawo is a plural for in places or areas. Places or areas. Kwindawo. And kwindawo, if there's one I, that's a singular form of that word. If there's one I, it's kwindawo, in a place or in an area. Kwindawo. So kwindawo is definitely a plural of that word in different places. Abangakhange, like abangakhange. Okay. Abafundi, abangakhange bafunde, that they did not. Learners who did not read or study for their assessment. And hopefully that's not the case if you're in high school or tertiary, that you do prepare for you do try and make time to prepare for your assessments and examinations. But in the case where you say abangakhange, that they did not. Abangakhange. In this context, abangakhange is abangakhange bazilindele, that they did not, expect. Bazilindele, expect is to ulindela. I'm expecting a meal. Remember in the village, I come from the Eastern Cape, one of the provinces of South Africa, and from one of the rural areas in South Africa. And there was a time when of course there were no cell phones, and there were very few houses that had landline telephones, that had just come in, the landline. I mean, landline telephones had been around for some time, but in this village now they came. So you would go to a particular place because ulindele, I'm expecting a call. So you go, if there's one shop that had a telephone that's about 2 kilometers from where you lived, you would walk to that shop and wait and take that call that you expected. Or if ulindele iposi, I'm waiting for post, and then you go and check from the post office, So bazilindele, that they did not expect. Bangakhange bazilindele, that they did not expect. So that's those words used in this sentence. Please ask in the comment section below if you have any questions, and I'd love to engage with you in terms of discussing these words further. And also, when you join our learning journey, in terms of via WhatsApp and really registering to be to learn with us, there's an added benefit in terms of you getting a full transcript of this. What I'm saying now in English, you get that as well. It is a full transcription, and you also get a coach from me. You can go one of our team members. Now, the WhatsApp number to use if you'd like to know about the book and how you can get the book, In Search of Happiness, as it is available for sale. And the WhatsApp number to use for that is 079 833 2310. 079 833 2310. Now, I need to say something around this number. This number will never call you to ask for money. It's very important that I put in this, that we add this disclaimer. It will never call you to ask for money. It will never call to support this channel. This number will never send a message out to ask for support for this channel. And how you can support our channel or buy me coffee for making this episode, you can send the word coffee to this number, and I will reply with a short video message or a video call. And then from that point, we can then see how you can support our channel in terms of buying us coffee and different things that we may need. So we will never call you and say we are coming from learning from isiXhosa with Sonwa, requesting for funding. We would never do that. We'll never send you an SMS to say that we are coming from learning isiXhosa with Sonwa and we are requesting help. And yeah, so we'll never do that. This has been Learning isiXhosa with Sonwa, episode 9, coming from Blank Studios, #blank_studios_. Check them out on Instagram, and I'm looking forward to interacting with you in the comment section below and through WhatsApp. Thank you.